I spoke about Mokoena being man-marked, right? I don't think Sundowns anticipated ukuthi Limpopo will do that. Now, Tingin Boni saying, just a minute. This is Mokoena. He was man-marked by this guy. Foul, takes a foul, okay, sharp. What does he do? He goes back to him. Chappies! Like it's about Chappies. Man-marked. During the COVID, Bohlalu fagi mask. This is what this guy was doing to Umukwe. Umukensemu. Mask. Wherever la begaya khona. Number 24.